Caroline from WDBNK, and we are here today in Luxembourg City on a visit. And here grows something incredible. It's rose, but like a tree. It's 3 meters high, and it's really, really nice, fragrant rose. Well, we are back home now. Here we have our wonderful roses. They smell fantastic. You don't want to wash them because the flavor will get lost. So what you do is just make sure that there are no little bugs in it. Pull off the flower petals. What we are doing today are 2 things. A nice rose vinegar, which gives a really, really good taste to your salad. So for the vinegar, just take your rose petals, put them in your bottle until it's 3/4 filled. And now just fill it up with an apple cider vinegar. You need to leave it for about 4 to 5 days before you use it, so the flavor really comes out of the roses. The second thing we are doing today with our roses is a nice syrup. Add your sugar. The water with the sugar needs to boil for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat. Wait until it doesn't boil anymore. You can pour in your lemon juice. And add your fresh rose petal. So this can wait now until tomorrow. I will put a lid on. And tomorrow morning we will pour it through a strainer and it's done. Hey, good morning! So this is done and I'm going to fill it in bottles now. And we're going to